Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a GNC weight gainer shake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need your GNC weight gainer powder, a liquid of your choice like milk or water, and a reliable blender. Having a measuring scoop on hand is crucial for getting the right amount of powder. This ensures your shake has the intended nutritional value and consistency. Now, let's get to blending. Start by pouring about 12 to 16 ounces of your chosen liquid into the blender. Next, carefully add 2 scoops of your GNC weight gainer powder. Secure the lid tightly and blend on high for 30 to 60 seconds. You want a smooth, consistent texture with no clumps, so keep blending until it's just right. Want to boost your shake's nutritional profile and flavor? Consider adding a banana for extra calories and a creamy texture. A tablespoon of peanut butter can provide healthy fats and a delicious taste. For more fiber and complex carbohydrates, try blending in about a half cup of rolled oats. These additions can make your shake even more satisfying and beneficial. To maximize the benefits of your GNC weight gainer shake, consider when you consume it. Drinking it immediately after a workout can aid in muscle recovery and growth. You can also enjoy it between meals to easily increase your daily calorie intake, supporting your weight gain goals. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious and effective weight gainer shake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.